What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I just got home, got a part in, so I'm gonna show you what it is if the thumbnail doesn't show you what it is, but it should. But yeah guys, I'm gonna install this right now and when I have light, so it should be good, be quick and easy. So if you want to know how to install it, stay tuned. So let's go outside and I'm gonna put this onto the bike. So if you like this kind of content though guys, subscribe, like, comment, and I'm gonna have more projects coming up. So alright guys, let me get the parts up and head outside. Alright guys, so here's the part, Puig high-tech part. So it's in the bag still. So like I said, I just got it, so let me head outside and get this going. I'll take it out from the bag and go from there. Alright guys. Alright, this thing's pretty good wrapped. Back here it's like foam bag. The front is like a plastic, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So let me get this out and go outside. Alright. Alright guys, I am outside. Got the part. I'll show you some little B-rolls. There's a menu on it with some parts. So like I said, I got off of work. The sun's pretty much, the sun is setting, so it's in my face right now. But let me get everything started. Let me read the menu, the manual, see what I need, the tools, then I'll show you. It's pretty simple, so let's just get started. Alright guys, so I looked at the menu, the pieces, the metal part. So it looks like I have to take off the other side, the 2 screws, the other side by the brake line. I have to take that part off. Then I have to install the metal piece so the bracket can install on both sides. So I'll show you what it is and go from there. Alright guys, so one piece you have to take off is that screw right there. And this other screw to take off the stock chain cover, and the other side. So the other screw is going to be this one right here. Let me focus on that. So that one right there, a little small one to install, so that bracket can be installed on this side with those screws on both sides. So alrighty, let me get this ready. Alright guys, on this side, to take off that screw, you're gonna need a 10mm socket to take off that screw right there. So let me get this going. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna install the piece. So alright guys, so there's another piece I have to take off. I didn't realize it until I was trying to put it on. Well, there's a piece back here. I'll show you when I take it off what it is. But for those bolts, it's gonna be an 8mm socket or wrench. It'll be easier probably with a socket because it's gonna be hard on the right side by the brake side to take it off. I'll show you. Oh yeah guys, this is the piece I'm talking about. So 8mm bolt. This is right behind the shock. I'll show you. So that's how that looks like. It's hanging up right. Then you have to go in the back to take off the bolts from this. So, and that Alright guys, so that's how it looks like. So it's on there pretty well. So now I have to put on the screws right there, and back here have those 2 screws, and over this side you'll be able to see where that screw was for the brake line. So I'll be able to put a screw there and mount the metal bracket on there. So let me get this metal bracket, then mount the piece back on there. So alright guys, so because of this piece breaking, where's the other part? This piece is supposed to have the other screw in the back here because it broke. I'm gonna use the stock one and see how it should go through the brake line, the plastic piece and the metal piece onto the threads, so it should be able to go. So I'm gonna try. Alright guys, so it looks like I have to use one of the other screws to mount that. The stock one I couldn't get on there, so we'll see how the other side's gonna be. Alright guys, that was perfect. So I'm using the stock screws from the old piece. It fits on there perfectly, so I'm just gonna tie them down and that should be good. I should be done. So I'll show you a close-up when I'm done. Alright guys, so there we go. So that's how it looks like. So I used the original bolts there and here to hold on that piece, and over here you can see I'm using a different bolt because the other one broke. So now the 2 pieces on top are mounted on there onto the metal piece behind it, and this bolt is holding up the brake line, the plastic and the metal piece. But hey guys, there we go. That's the piece in the bike. It's glossy. It works. Looks good. There's a tire hugger. So the stock piece in the back is not in the way of the spring. There's a cutout there. But overall, not bad. Not bad at all. Installation was not too hard. It took 30 to 45 minutes reading the instructions, and because of the bolt breaking, it sucked, but still it's on there, it's secured, it won't go anywhere. Alright guys, finish up the tire hugger with all the 4 rubber grommets, 4 plastic pieces. 1 bolt broke, but I figured out how to fix it. Overall, I used 2 of the stock screws back on, or bolts, and overall looks good. I'd rather have it matte black, but glossy it's okay. But probably in the future I could probably spray paint it black. But you can see the B-roll, the pictures. So alright guys, it's getting late, sun is setting, it's in my eyes. But if you like this kind of content, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be in the comments. I'll have more projects coming up. So alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.